So now that you've actually connected to your Vueroid dash camera, we want to find a video. So how are we going to go about doing that? So first things first, we're going to go into file list, right? And as we can see here, there's drive, event, parked, manual recording, and well, phone are the ones that I've already downloaded before. So if you actually go here and you're just looking for like one of your drive videos, I mean, we can scroll down. Here's like a nighttime one. And if we want to download that video, you actually just hit the download button quite easily and downloading to your phone. As you can see, it's in .avi file format. But what it's going to do here is convert it to MP4. And MP4 is a lot more universal than AVI. If we want to actually crop, you can actually crop the video here. Now, I usually don't recommend bothering cropping your video because really you can do it real quick on the iPhone anyways. Hit next. Do you want to save the edited video? You hit OK. And just like that, if I go directly into my photos, and just like that, there's the video right there, downloaded into your photos. Hopefully this helped you out in learning how to download a video. If you do have any questions at all, please feel free to leave a comment down below. We love helping out everybody, and we love all the support on the new Vueroid dash camera. Thanks again.